Give me your best work. Al, give me your best work. Oh my God. Maddie. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Just kidding, we're not here for hoop today. Shake it, shake it. Yo guys, what's up? So today we have a little bit of a different video. I'm gonna be climbing all the way up here and then I'm gonna be jumping down. Actually guys, today we are here in a place called La Central del Cerc and we're with a couple of aerialists today. We're gonna be shooting a video here, shooting some content along with some pictures too. This is so cool you guys, because these lights up here, you can adjust them. So you can turn them down with these little switches, you can turn them all the way down and all the way up, and you can like choose, which is so good for shooting. We have these huge metal things here and mucho más. And Maddie, while you're there, you can say hi. That's Maddie, that's one of our hoop girls today. Time for me to jump. Comenzamos. Don't forget to hit the like, drop me a comment because it really helps the videos, and consider subscribing for some more. The first outfit, we have Al just in a black tank top. We have some lighter jeans to ease into the background. Yeah, the toe is rogue again. Nice. Okay, and one thing to notice as well, guys, while he's in this, well, slow moving or in a more stationary position, the shutter speed doesn't matter, but when you guys want to get him going super fast, for fast movement, this is when you need to turn the shutter speed higher to get him in frame. Perfect. Oh, these look so good. Oh, that looks cool. Stay there. Oh, okay, perfect. I need you to just stay like that. It looks really good. One from the back, yes. more light. Okay guys, now because Mathi's gonna be doing some freestyle stuff first, we wanna get the shutter speed super high. I think I like this angle better. Oh, that's nice. That's super nice. Can we do one more like that? Stay like that. Perfect. Yes. Me gusta, me gusta. Perfect. Let's do it from the back. Yeah. Oh, that looks really cool. Mathi, can I just get you to run this way? Yeah. Oh, my favorite. Stay there. Stay like that one. Stay like that. Okay, nice. And the everybody's learning how to be a paparazzi like Alex. Oh my god, is this music good for you?
Also with
the middle.
Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, because it looks like I've been stealing the material.
See, same. Yeah, yeah.
That's cool.
That's our dance finish. How are you guys feeling? Destroyed good?
Not
you like
even
it?
A little
Destroyed?
bit tired.
And excited.
No.
See, and you love the room. The room is really cool.
Tired, nothing. We're fine.
Okay,
Fine, like
happy,
normal.
Happy.
So
The most
easy
important.
as walking on the beach.
Same. And guys, I'll leave all of the links in the description so you guys can check them out if you want to. Mathi does a bit more like training, a lot of stuff with Hoop as well. Alex also has a language school here too.
Thank you.
Thanks.
See you later, guys.
See you soon.
Shake it out. Give me a twerk. Give me your best twerk. Al, give me your best twerk. Oh my God. Mathi. Oh yeah, that's amazing. Just kidding, we're not here for Hoop today. Shake it.